Hi, my name's David, Stella Marine. Welcome to our watermaking test facility. What you see in front of you here is what I'm here to talk to you about shortly. And if you like what you see and you want to be involved in the future, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stella Marine tests everything. Our watermakers, before they leave our manufacturing facility, are tested in every way possible. And the important part for us is to make sure that our product, when it gets into the field, meets the expectations of the owners. In other words, we sell a product that does what we say it does. So in front of us, we have some membranes, a test bench, and we have our pre-made salt water. So our salt water is set at 32,000 parts per million. We temperature control the salt water at 23 degrees C. So our test is stable and consistent time and time again. What we like to do is test the membranes individually, so off the equipment. So these membranes are our 240 litre an hour 3 membrane set. This could be for one of our generation 3 watermakers or for any of our automatic watermakers. And what we like to understand is salinity of the watermakers and the total production of those watermakers. Generally speaking, as a rule, each membrane produces 80 litres an hour at about 125 to 150 parts per million of salt, brand new. What happens over time that improves slightly as the watermaker beds in, and then consistently we like to see in the field sort of 150 to 250 parts per million of salt and a production at the temperature of about 80 litres, 160 litres or 240 litres an hour, depending on the watermaker that you've got. So in the process of testing, all product is then freshwater flushed and then put to bed with sodium metabisulfite. So there's a preservative in the membranes that when you receive your watermaker from Stella, you have some time to install it and not be concerned about the degradation or the deterioration of the membranes. So this is our facility. Everything is done. Everything is tested. If you have any questions, please ask us. But again, if you like what you see and you want to see more in the future, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks very much.